want to demonstrate the conference button on the phone. What this is going to be for is if you want to be talking to somebody on the phone and then you want to get a third person on the call to confer with them, or maybe you want to do a warm handoff with the customer. That's what this option is great for. And what's going to happen is the person's going to call in, you're going to hit conference, you're going to dial the person that you want to call and announce it, hey, I'm going to bring so-and-so on this phone, and then you're going to hit conference again, and then you're all three going to be joined on the same call. So that sequence was conference, dial, conference, just like the transfer, except for it's a conference button. And I'm going to demonstrate that now. All right, so on this one, we're going to hit more and then conference. And then I'm going to dial the number I want to conference in.
You've reached the corporate offices of Z-Ray Technologies and ZTelco, providers of internet and voice over IP solutions.
So now all three of these phones are talking at the same time.
For sales and business development.
The other great part about that is if I want to drop off at the call at some point, I can drop off the call and the two people that I conference together are still talking. So that can be used as a warm handoff or some sort of just kind of a transfer that you announce the phone and the person, both people are listening to you at the same time. Or you can just stay on the phone and you can have a three-way call.